What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title and thumbnail, I'm tired of my car looking all boring and basic, so I'm putting my front lip on and my spoiler. Yeah, I'm just tired of the car looking boring and basic. So we're gonna be putting that on today. I should have been did it a long time ago, but hey, we here now. Real quick, if you're watching the video, just make sure you leave a thumbs up, make sure you leave a like right now. I'd appreciate it. So first thing we're starting off with is putting the spoiler on. I got the spoiler right here. I got it clean and everything already. Got all the residue from 3M off of it. So now what I'm gonna have to do is clean all of the trunk. That way, once I put the new 3M on the spoiler, it will stick and it'll hold. That way I won't have to worry about it falling off. So let's get to cleaning the trunk. Alright, y'all, so we got the trunk clean, and as you can see, I got my 3M all the way across, and then I got a little extra 3M just for some extra support once I put it on. So yeah, let me put this on. All I'm gonna do is just peel the backing off and just press and hold it down for about a minute, and it should be good to go. I've done it 3-4 times now, taking my wrap off, putting my wrap on, putting the spoiler on every time, and it always works for me. So I kind of want a new spoiler anyway, so if it flies off, we get a new spoiler. So let me go ahead and get this on real quick. Alright, y'all, the spoiler is on. So what I normally do once I put these on is I normally just let the car sit probably like 12 hours or whatever before I go driving. That way, just in case I didn't put it on all the way, it just sits and it just sets before like wind or whatever it gets on it, and then like kind of like picks it up. But yeah, the only thing is it's a little farther on this side than this side, probably like some centimeters maybe, but it's not that noticeable. But other than that, it's sitting on there pretty nice. I like how it's looking. So since that's over with, we move over to the front lip. So on the yellow wrap, I did have these on and not the rest of the front lip. It's a 2-piece thing to it. So I need to clean these first because they're kind of dirty from when I had them on the yellow wrap. So let me clean this and then we'll start putting this together. All right, y'all, so this is the front lip. So these parts right here, they like sit here, but they sit on top of the lip. I got 3M on there, but there's also bolts. So I didn't put a lot of 3M, but I do have it on the top and bottom because it does sit, so I at least want a little extra on the top. But like I said, it does have bolts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these on first, both of the sides on first, and then once I get those on, then I'll start using the bolts. That way it'll have more stability. The bigger part, it has a lot more bolts. Like you got bolts right here, then it's like 3, then the 3 bolts on the end too, for a lot more stability and support. So let me get these little side pieces on, and then we'll start working on putting the bigger bottom piece on. We got the little front pieces on. It was super easy. Now is the harder part. Like I said, this is how it was sitting when I had the yellow wrap on. I just had the little black pieces on. So when I tried to put this piece on, they weren't bolting into the bumper. So what I did this time was I took some bolts out of the front bumper, and once I put that on, I'll just use those bolts to like support it into the bumper. And I also got some self-tapping screws for the extra holes. So yeah, hopefully this is a lot easier than it was when I tried to put it on when I had the yellow. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. All right, y'all, so the front lip is completely on now. The self-tapping screws really helped. Like, it was super easy rather than the crappy screws that they ended up putting in with the front lip. But it looks really good. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to get the car down off the jacks, and then I'm about to go for a drive, and then that way I can get a better look on how the car looks like in the sun and all together. So Let me get the car out the jack real quick. All right, y'all. So here's how the car looking with the front lip. I can't really see black, but the lip look good though. It's just nice, simple, clean. The only thing that kind of bothered me about it is the line right down the middle of it. I don't know, it just slightly bothered me. But it looks good with the front lip, a little bit more aggressive. Car's looking clean. Oh man, I really need to get this spot fixed right here. It pisses me off every time I see it. But also the spoiler is on too. I love how the spoiler look. It just add a little, just a little touch that the car just needs. I don't know. The car look really good. So up next, what I got planned, I just got a charge pipe that I was supposed to swap out a long time ago. Putting a new charge pipe on soon. I've been looking at doing some updated headlights. The headlights not bad, but they are aging a little bit. So I've been looking at getting some new headlights. Still thinking about lowering it. I'm scared. I'm gonna see how long this front lip lasts me, and then I'll make a decision on lowering it. But oh, if you are interested in getting a front lip or a wing just like this, go hit up Beamer Plug. My code will be in the description so you can get some money off. If you do order through Beamer Plug, make sure you go use code HEAVYCHEVY on Beamer Plug to get you some money off. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video here. Even though the car looking clean, it's dirty as hell. This black is hard to get clean, and it's pollen season. Like if I get close up on it, you can see like the car filter. So I'm gonna go wash the car. Y'all have a blessed one. Make sure you leave a like. But that's gonna be it for this video here. Peace out.